Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. My Sonny Angels Rainy Day series just came in. This is my first time ordering off of the US website. I didn't open the box before I started recording. Probably should have. I thought it was going to ruin the anticipation, but the Japan order comes in a Sonny Angel box. I'm really glad that I saved it, to be honest. But I got 4 Rainy Day series. So let's unbox them. Oh my gosh! Ah! That's so cute. Yay! I really want the axolotl. And then my second one is the frog, and then the hippo. Oh, actually, my number one is the secret. It comes with a little umbrella. I've seen it before. So cute. I'm really thankful that these ones come with the little, like, opening on the bottom. So, you look first. Who is it? Ah! He's so cute! Shut up! Oh my gosh. Shut up. Alright. Second. Ooh! Why do I keep going out of focus? That sucks. I really don't want any of the duplicates, guys. I saw a lot of people getting duplicates. You look first. Who is it? Oh, I can tell the head's not on. Shut up! He's so much cuter in person. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is like the best day ever. Next. Oh my gosh. Alright, that was rough. I'm getting kind of nervous, guys. These both have been really good, so. Who is it? He's cute. He is cute. I didn't really want him, but I'm just really thankful that he's not a duplicate because I was really nervous for some reason. Last but not least, please, honestly, be an axolotl or a secret. Either one of those two, please. Not a good pop. I don't know. I'm feeling a little nervous, guys. I'm feeling a little nervous. You look first. Please give me secret energy. Please give me secret energy right now. Who is it? I really didn't want to duplicate. That's totally fine. If anybody has an axolotl and would like to trade for the elephant, please let me know. Thank you so much for joining me.